to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in this video I'll be showing you different cute ways to style your short afro hair using just a scarf. Before I get right into this video, please hit that subscribe button down below. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video to friends and family, and don't forget to leave me some comments down below. So I'm starting off by sectioning off a small section of hair in front like so, and I have my scarf in a triangle like this. Then place the scarf on the back of my head with the pointed end facing up. I'm just going to go ahead and tie the two legs and tuck in excess fabric. So this is what the finished look looks like. This time you have to fold the scarf like this and part your hair the same way you did for style 1. Then I'm going to go ahead and place the scarf on the back of my head and bring the two ends, the parts I sectioned off, and tie the two ends to create a medium-sized bow. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in excess fabric, and also don't forget to lay your edges for each of this look. You have to excuse my hair, it's not combed. This will look way better on the tangled hair. For this style, I had to put my hair into a loose puff using my shoelace. I'm just going to fold the scarf into a triangle, then place on the back of my head with the triangle facing up, and then tie the two ends in front like so. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck in the dangling triangle part like so, and then finish up by tying off at the back and tucking in the ends. This is actually my favorite style. Let me know in the comment section which of the styles you prefer. For this style, I still have my hair in a high puff, and I'm still going to go ahead and repeat the process for the previous style. And I'm just going to go ahead and twist the two ends in front instead of tying it off at the back. Twist it in front like so, and then wrap it around itself like you would do for a bantu knot. You can actually try out the styles on last hair or any other texture or length of hair. Just have to play around with the styles and see what works best for you. Please don't forget the hoops because afros look way much better with hoops. Just don't forget to lay your edges so your hair doesn't come out looking messy like mine. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, leave me some comments down below, and also if you're going to try out any of those styles, I'd love to see it. Please tag me via my Instagram at Elizabeth herself. Feel free to subscribe to my channel because new videos and content are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.